no. Don't screech. No snoring, little boys. Hey. Hey, you stop that snoring. Hey. Hey. Don't you snore. I can't concentrate with all that snoring. Hey. Phew, it's finally quiet. I can concentrate now. Now, Caitlin's snoring too?
No. Oh, Sarah, are you sleeping?
They're making so much noise with all their snoring, and I can't concentrate.
1, 2, 3. Wake up, Sarah. 1, 2, 3. Wake up, Brennan.
Hey, yo! No snoring under there. Don't you snore under there.
No.
No snoring. Hey! Hey!
You can hear the we have all the NHL games plus the Stanley Cup playoffs. And you can check it out on our website to get the channel numbers at SiriusXM.com.
Brennan, no snoring. Samuel, no snoring.
Sorry. Sorry.
Oh, I'm glad it's quiet in here finally.
Boo!